Hello, and welcome. I'm really happy you're here today. If you're learning English and you feel nervous at immigration, don't worry. Today, we will practice simple immigration English questions and answers. I will speak slowly and clearly. You can listen, understand, and then practice with me. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's start. You know, immigration interviews can feel scary, but the truth is, the questions are usually simple. They just want clear and honest answers. Let me explain everything step by step. Now, imagine you're standing at the immigration counter. The officer looks at your passport and asks questions politely. You should also answer politely and calmly. The first common question is, what is the purpose of your visit? You can answer like this: I am here for tourism, or I am here for work, or I am here to visit my family. For example, if you're visiting, you can say, I am visiting my relatives for 2 weeks. Say it slowly. Be confident. No long story is needed. Another common question is, how long will you stay? You can answer, I will stay for 10 days. Or, I will stay for 1 month. For example, I will stay here for 3 weeks. That's enough. Simple and clear. Next question is very common. Where will you stay? You can say, I will stay at a hotel. Or, I will stay with my friend. For example, I will stay with my cousin in New York. Just say the truth. Now, sometimes they ask, do you have a return ticket? You can answer, yes, I have a return ticket. Or, yes, my return ticket is on June 15th. If you don't understand the question, it's okay. You can politely say, sorry, can you please repeat? Or, sorry, I didn't understand. This is very important. Never panic. The officer understands you're not a native speaker. Another question can be, what do you do for work? You can answer, I am a student. I'm a shopkeeper. I work in an office. For example, I work as a delivery executive. Short and honest answer is best. Sometimes they ask, do you have any relatives here? You can say, yes, my uncle lives here. Or, no, I don't have any relatives here. Now listen carefully. If they ask something you don't know, don't guess. You can say, I'm not sure, or I don't know exactly. That is better than giving wrong information. Let me explain one more thing. Your body language matters. Stand straight. Smile softly. Speak clearly. Don't rush. Now, let's move to the practice part. This is very important. Please repeat after me. Speak out loud if you can. Repeat after me. I am here for tourism. I will stay for 2 weeks. I will stay at a hotel. Yes, I have a return ticket. I work in an office. Sorry, can you please repeat? Very good. Once again, repeat slowly. I'm here to visit my family. I will stay for 1 month. I will stay with my friend. Excellent. You're doing really well. Remember, immigration English is not about perfect grammar. It's about clear communication. Simple words are powerful. Before we end, I want to motivate you. You don't need to fear English. You don't need big words. You just need practice and confidence. Practice these sentences every day. Speak slowly. Believe in yourself. You are improving step by step. Keep learning. Keep speaking. I'll see you again in the next lesson. Thank you, and have a great day.